Detective Sharp, our guest today, found in his garden.
That's Mr. Corpse, my neighbor. I've seen him every single day in that same tracksuit. Witnesses say he never took it off. And his wife
Must have hated it as much.
she complained to me all the time. He might have been a nice man, she said. If only he changed his clothes. Look at his face. A bruise under the eye and a scratch on the forehead. He may have fallen, or someone might have helped him fall. There is also a coffee stain on his chest. He must have spilled it this morning. And what's this? His brand new Nike shoes with anti-shock technology? She might have hit him while he was bragging about his sneakers again. That would explain the burn mark. And a broken coffee mug found on the crime scene. He can have realized that air cushioning doesn't protect against coffee mugs. Case closed. Too much Nike, not enough change. He should have switched to Adidas or gone barefoot. Less shock that way.